How's it going? Michael up here at MarineMax in Somers Point. Today we're going to be walking through the all-new 2024 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer. So we're starting back here on the aft platform. I just want to quickly show you got this hatch with all of your utility and battery switches. So you get fresh water as well as your battery switches there on the right side and your shore power plugins. All right, moving on to the other side here. You can see on the inboard option here, huge sun pad for lying out. Great option to be able to look out, see any of the swimmers in there, or just catch some sun. Another cool feature on this inboard option is the backrest here slides over, clicks into place. So now you have a starboard facing lounger here. So again, if kids are out on the right side of the boat, or if you want to open up to conversation with the inside of the boat, you have that great option there. Also full isinglass enclosure, so on those chillier days like we get here in New Jersey, you do get to block off some of that wind that we're dealing with at the moment here. Very funny. Grab that when you come in. So now into the main cabin of the Sundancer here. You can see lots of seating, wraps all the way around. We have this table down right now. This can pop up to be a table that you use for lunch or just playing cards, entertaining, or you can stow it down as we have it right now in this lower position with the cushion on it to make it a nice lounging seat. Moving over to the right side here, we also have a wet bar. So you have your freshwater sink as well as the Kenyan grill. Great for entertaining. If you have guests, you want to make some lunch, cook something out on the water, great option to have. Also have the isotherm refrigerator with a freezer in there as well, and a dedicated trash can storage. Very convenient to have on board. Moving up to the front of the boat, another seat here that can adjustable, so you can face aft to join the conversation, or if you're underway, you can shift this back to be facing forward if you want to see the views as you're moving. Looking at the helm, there's going to be two seats here, both with independent flip up and down bolsters. So you can find whether you like to be seated or be standing while you're underway, find what's most comfortable for you. And being independent is nice so that the captain can do whatever he wants to do independent of the co-captain here. Also looking at the helm, we will see we have dual 12-inch Simrads on this model with vessel view. So you'll be able to see all the engine diagnostics as well as see the charts. Know where you are on the water, get information like the depth or anything else like you would need on the water, as well as LED back lit switches. Moving over, we have digital throttle and shift on the Mercury option, as well as the joystick, which will have your autopilot as well as skyhook. So if you want to anchor out somewhere without having to drop the anchor, just hold position. Really convenient option to have. Dedicated storage for a table on the side here, and we'll move up to the bow. Here on the bow, you can see great entertaining space, very large sun pad, so you want to sit out, catch a few rays. You can see there's 3 dedicated spots for sitting, well as some flip down armrests. And you also notice the Fusion Bluetooth stereo head, so you can control. There's one at the helm as well, so you can control that from anywhere on the boat. If you want to adjust the music without having to go into the captain, you can do that comfortably from up here. And you'll notice the Fusion speakers all throughout the boat as well. You'll notice the wind dam here as well, and the full sliding windshield on this. This is the coupe model, so you do have that full enclosure. So again, you can shut that, close this door, keep the wind out on those colder days. Moving down into the cabin. Up front, we have the V-berth. This will comfortably fit 2 adults for sleeping, or this table here, we can take this cushion off, bring the table up, and this can become another entertaining space. Also, the cabin is air conditioned, so if you want to get out of the sun for a day, or have the kids come down and play cards, or have a lunch or something down here, you do have that option. Over here is the galley, so we'll have another isotherm refrigerator, as well as the microwave if you want to heat something up real quick. Looking here on the starboard side is going to be your head. So you can see very spacious head, lots of head space. I am 5'6". I have a ton of space overhead. I have a handle. If you're underway, you need to use the facilities. You make sure you're nice and not going to slip or fall or anything. This is also a wet head. So you may notice here there's the curtain to be able to separate from the head. as well as your shower and a freshwater sink. Looking at the main berth here, we do have this being used for storage right now. We did just get this boat right off the lift, but normally that wouldn't be there. We're just using it for the cover storage. 2 twin size mattresses back here, as well as a filler cushion. So you can this side here will slide over, and you can fill in between, make that a 1 king size in the back. Comfortably sleep 2 adults, as well as some storage options, and there's a TV over here for some entertainment. So again, this is the 2024 Sundancer 220 or 320. We'd love to have any questions you have or schedule a showing. Again, I'm Mike Love here at MarineMax in Somers Point. Give us a call at 609-926-0600 with any questions. Looking forward to seeing you out on the water.